Alright YouTube, here we go. It's been 2 to 4 years and the Air France Boeing 747-400 shows up. You got a decent amount of spotters out here, it's pretty nice. And here we go. I'm gonna let this one roll. Catch this legendary beauty. Last time I saw it was at Air Canada 777-200 long range. When Air Canada got the delivery of the 787, I was like 8, 9, or 10 years old there. That was the last time I saw that in 2007, taxiing when they were unveiling it at the hangar. And it makes a return from June 15th to the summer. I think they're only going to use it in the summer. Air France Boeing 747-400 is coming in. Yeah, here we go. Air France. Damn, this is gonna be nice. First time seeing it, it's been returned since like 3 or 4 years. Jeez. Let's get them out. Alright YouTube, here we go. Air France Boeing 747-400, Air France Flight 3568 from Paris, Charles de Gaulle. Enjoy classic 747-400 at RWY again. Nice! Foxtrot Golf India Tango Hotel. Yeah, buddy, Air France, welcome back to Toronto, Pearson.